Hi, this is MOUSUMI'S and you're watching MOUSUMI'S Artistry. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my new video. So in today's video, I'm going to share with you the second part of that clay work. In the first part, I have shown you that how I have created that, and in today's video, I'm going to share with you that how I have painted this and given it a antique kind of look. I am just loving it so much. I hope you are going to love this, and for that you need to watch the full video. So let's get started. So this is all for today. I hope you all have liked it. If yes, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned. Thank you so much. See you soon. Bye bye.